RTV Silicone Sealant is a superhero for your electronics. It bonds component, block moisture and dust, absorb shocks and insulate all at once. If it is used wrongly, it may cause poor bonding, leakage or curing issues. So, knowing the correct way makes all the difference. So, no need to worry, I am here to walk you through the correct and easy steps to apply the RTV Silicone sealants. Let's go to our laboratory. Step 1. Wear safety gears. Always wear safety glasses and protective gloves before handling uncured adhesives. This keeps you protected from skin and eye irritation during application. Step 2. Surface preparation. This is very important step most people overlook. Getting this step right is crucial for lasting results. Always remove old sealants, dust, oil, grease, paints and anything loose from the surface. Use reliable industry cleaner, preferably Kootai Chemicals Industry Cleaner, for the best results. Ensure all the surfaces are fully dry because moisture can affect bonding, even though RTV cures using air moistures. Step 3. Getting the tube ready. Cut the cartridge seal, then cut the provided nozzle at 45° angle and screw it on the top. Then load the tube into the caulking gun. Step 4. Application. This is where sealing takes place. Hold the gun steady and apply even pressure for a smooth, continuous bead. Don't use too much pressure as the extra material can flow into areas you don't want and that might hamper the process. Step 5. Assembling. After applying the sealant, assemble the parts where they belong. And then clean off the extra uncured sealant with the cloth. Step 6. Curing guidance. Let the adhesive do its job. A tiny layer will start forming soon and it will keep curing on its own over time. The curing speed can vary depending on the type of sealant, its thickness and the surrounding conditions. Super easy, super safe. Follow these steps for perfect sealing every time. Like, share and follow us for more practical tips. Follow Kootai Chemicals for more such practical application tips or contact us for more information. Kootai Chemicals, the bonding superpower.